Hi, I'm going to explain how to do one of the questions we worked on today. Let's start. Question was, find the line that fits the coordinates 4 and -6 and 6 and -9. Step 1 will be to find the gradient m. The gradient means the steepness of the slope. We use the formula the gradient equals the rise over the run. Another way of putting it is you take the second y, subtract the first y. That's going to be over the run, which is the second x, and subtract the first x. I'll show you what I mean in a moment. So after we found that, we use a formula y minus y1, so that's the y coordinate, or we can use y2, equals m times brackets x minus x1. That's the x coordinate. We could also use y minus y2, the second y coordinate, equals m times brackets x minus x2. We'll use the first one. Once we simplify that, then we're finished. So I will do this now and I'll explain what I'm doing. I'll draw the 2 points so it becomes clearer what we're doing. 4 minus 6 will be here. 4 is the x1, minus 6 is y1. 6 and minus 9 will be here. 6 is x2, minus 9 is y2. Now we're going to look for the gradient, which is the rise over run. The rise is this part, and it's not really a rise because we're going down, so it will be negative. And the run will be this part. So the formula we use is here. M equals y2, which is minus 9. Minus y1, which is minus 6. So I'll put that in brackets. Sorry, I didn't actually need that part. Put a bracket there, I'll take that out. Now we're going to do it over the run. So x2, which is here, 6, and subtract x1, which is here, 4. As you might remember, 2 negatives become a positive. And minus 9, 2 negatives, plus 6. The 2 negatives become a plus. On the top and on the bottom, 6 minus 4, which is 2. Minus 9 plus 6 is minus 3. Now we have our gradient. It's minus 3 over 2. That's the first step. Now for the second step, we're going to take this formula and put in our y1 and x1. and m, of course. I'll write it up here. Y minus y1. Y1, as we saw before, was minus 6. I'm going to put that in brackets. That's the y minus y1 equals m, which we found before, minus 3 on 2. Now this part, x minus x1 in brackets. X minus, what's x1? X1 is 4 here. Now we need to simplify that. 2 negatives become a positive, y plus 6. Now we're going to expand this. So the first part will be minus 3 on 2 times x, which is minus 3 on 2x. The second part will be minus 3 on 2 times minus 4. That's minus minus. Minus 3 on 2 times 4. Okay, let's tidy this up. We'll leave minus 3 on 2x as it is. The 2 negatives become a positive. 3 on 2 times 4. We did these types of calculations before. We multiply the top number and the whole number. So that will be 12, and we leave the denominator over 2. 12 on 2. And that just happens to be 12 divided by 2, which is 6. That's going to be 3 minus 3 on 2x plus 6. So we've got a plus 6 on the left and a plus 6 on the right. We're going to subtract 6 from both sides. Y plus 6 minus 6 is y. The 6's cancel out. Minus 3 on 2x plus 6 minus 6, the 6's cancel out. So we're just left with minus 3 on 2x. Right? Now we've got our solution. And I'm going to check that it fits the coordinates that we were given. Now, if you don't mind, I'm just going to scrub this. So pause it if you need it, if you're writing notes. I want to double check that this works for our coordinates. I'll just scrub everything. Oh, it's not a very good tool. All right, I'm going to get it. Oh, there we go. I need a better scrubber. It's disappearing. So what were our 2 coordinates? Our 2 coordinates were 4 and minus 6, and 6 minus 9. Let's try the first one. 4 minus 6. So y will be minus 6. This one, that's our y, equals minus 3 on 2. Now we're going to put in our x, which is 4. We're multiplying a fraction by a whole number. So we multiply the top number, 3, by 4. We keep the minus. 3 times 4 is 12 on 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6, minus 6. Perfect. So this one works. I'll try the second one. So the y is minus 9. Minus 3 on 2x, minus 3 on 2. What's our x? Our x is 6. We multiply these top numbers. Keep the minus, of course. 18 divided by 2. 18 divided by 2 is 9. So we have minus 9. The second one works. Perfect. We've got the right answer. Thanks for watching.